At the scrapyard today. Friday morning, day after Christmas. About to try to get unloaded right quick. Got them cranes over there. But what I made this video for was basically to show you my little system I got in my truck. I have in my truck. Let you hear how it sounds. I want to start off with a Pioneer head unit. I like Alpine, but I like Pioneer a lot. It's not the best one, but it sounds pretty decent. Some little cheap Sony 6.5s. They're cheap, but they sound pretty decent. 6x8s in the back. Kind of dusty. It is the work truck. But for bass, I have a Memphis 1000 guy. He does all right. I like him. On 12-inch CVX kicker. It's at 2 ohms right now, so it's don't have the amp working that hard, but it sounds pretty decent. So let you hear something. Hold on one second. Sound pretty good though. It's not really catching that bass, but it's an old school CD. Let me give you I guess a rap song. It's not the best song, but I know it has a good bass note.
This right here is another DJ J-Rock down South Vegas.
Leo's in the building, man. What's up, rich kid? Who we pulling up in? Shit, I might get that right. What's that, S1?
Got a different kind of bass note.
Tell them hoes I'm sorry.
More violent.
Excuse me. Go!
Got the amp maybe halfway up, and it's still like it feel like it want to pop the speaker. So I don't know how much the kicker CVX take at RMS. I think it was like 600 or 700, but a true 700 to it has it acting like it's stressing it out, like it's too much for it. But it sounds good though, and I turn it down and balance it all back out. It sounds good. So I just wanted you guys to see my system. Appreciate it.